So, you've decided to enter the magical land of the stock market. First of all, congrats. You're now officially playing finance on hard mode. But don't worry, you won't get eaten alive by Wall Street wolves. Yet.
Oh, hell no!
Today, I'm your tour guide, helping you navigate this roller coaster without losing your lunch or your life savings. Okay, let's get basic. What is the stock market? Imagine it's a giant marketplace where people buy and sell pizza slices. But wait, instead of pizza, it's tiny pieces of companies. So when you buy stock, you own a slice of that company's pie. The better the pizza, company, the more your slice is worth. And yes, sometimes your slice might go stale. Yikes. Now let's quickly talk stocks versus bonds. Stocks are your wild friend who's like, let's go skydiving, dude. And bonds are your reliable friend who says, nah, let's stay in and watch Netflix. Stocks can skyrocket, but also crash. Bonds, they're chill, safe, consistent, no broken bones. Companies sell their pizza slices to raise money in an IPO, aka initial pizza offering. They get cash, you get a tiny piece of the action. Think of it like the company throwing a pizza party, and you're invited, but instead of pizza, you're getting potential returns. Tasty.
Oh, yeah. Damn.
And why do stock prices move? It's all about supply and demand. If everyone wants a slice, prices go up. If nobody wants it, congrats. You've got a soggy, floppy piece of crust that's worth next to nothing. Plus, things like news, company scandals, and even feelings. Yes, feelings can move prices. So how do you avoid a financial faceplant? One word: diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, don't throw all your cash at one company. Spread it around. That way, if one stock tanks, the others might still be cooking. Look, the stock market might seem scarier than your high school math teacher, but it's not a monster. It's a tool. Use it wisely, and you'll be building wealth like a pro. Just remember, patience is key, and don't forget to pack a sense of humor for the ride. If you're ready to level up your money game, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with a friend who needs to stop hiding their cash under a mattress.